back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we'd like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. Sorry if I sound a bit nasally, I am actually recovering from a cold. And no, it's not COVID, it is actually a cold. I've done plenty of COVID tests, so I'm just a bit nasally, a bit snotty, you know. If you're wondering about this makeup look, I have just finished filming with the Beauty Bay Love Notes palette, and this is the look that we created. And if you're wondering what's on my lip, then we use the new Colour Drain mini liquid lipstick in the shade Mauve Rose, topped with the clear gloss. So, today's video we're going to do a Plouise budget box. I'm pretty sure this is the January box. As always, it always comes out at the end of the month. And now they've started a subscription service as well, so you're guaranteed your monthly box. I didn't actually subscribe to it because I do like to have the sneak peeks before I buy it, just in case there's loads of products in there that I've already got, because I do own a lot of Plouise stuff. Yeah, so this was just a one-time box, and when it came in this packaging, I was a little bit worried, thinking that it was going to be the December box, which obviously I already had. So yeah, if you want to see what I got in the January 2022 budget box, then please stay tuned. So, open it up, you've got a little card thing, which is what we always get. This is like the Christmassy packaging, so they've obviously still got loads of those left. So this retails for £30 and you get like 6 products or so. Some of it is new, some of it is existing products. But I absolutely love these beauty boxes from Plouise. It is so worth your money. Okay, so first things first, what we've got is a new product. So this set is the Bad Bitch Energy Juice. Oh, it's a lip conditioner and lip oil set, which I love those sets. So I suppose instead of doing it in the 1 in a million can type of things, you know, when inside we had the lip conditioner and lip oil, so instead of doing it in the cans, they're now doing it in these like juice cartons, and it's quite cute that it actually comes with a straw. But this is how it comes. So cherry is actually a new flavour, and I love the lip conditioners and the lip oils, to be fair. With the lip conditioner, it is like a key ring as well, so you can attach it to your bag. I've already got the watermelon and the gingerbread one. Just want to smell it. Oh yeah, I can smell the cherry. That does actually smell really nice. It's got tingling. I'm confused. This is tingling. I wonder if this plumping or I'm allergic to it. Oh my god, that's burning. Is this plumping one? I know that she said that she was going to do plumping stuff. Let me see the lip oil. So this is what the lip oil looks like. The packaging just looks amazing. Feels a lot heavier as well than the previous ones that I've received. So the previous ones, oh yeah, it's like a slightly bigger component. So this is the previous one, and this is like the new packaging with like the crown, and I think it's the same amount of products. Oh my god, that's actually burning my lips. Are they plumped? Am I having an allergic reaction? I don't know. Let me take that off. I don't know if I'm having an allergic reaction or it's like plumping. But I don't know if I'm allergic to this cherry one or this cherry has got plumping stuff in it. Oh, it's burning. It's burning my lips. So if you've got this, can you let me know if it's plumping or if I'm having an allergic reaction to like the cherry scent? I don't know, because usually it's fine. I need to get this on my lips. Oof. God, my lips are on fire. They're actually on fire. I don't like that. I'm not gonna lie, I usually love this, but it just says, once you pop, you can't stop. Our lip conditioner has been specifically formulated to hydrate dry and damaged lips with each application, with added moisture surging benefits to help improve lip firmity for the pout of dreams. So it doesn't say anywhere about it being a plumpy one, so I think I must be allergic to something in this one, which is quite weird. But yeah, so the next thing we've got in the box is a Pinwheels Base Shade 2. So this is a 50ml bottle, which I absolutely love. Base Shade 2 is my favourite base shade, and the fact that I've now got a big one, I'm absolutely buzzing about. I'm not even going to open this. I'm going to save it for when I do clients, because I've got a few of the 10ml ones anyway, which I'll use. But yeah, buzzing about that. Then another thing that we've got, which is a new thing, and it's Beauty in the Breakup brush set. So this is how it comes, so like this. So yeah, this is new, and I absolutely love Plouise brushes. Oh, these are mini ones. So this is, I don't know what brush this is. Oh, it's so soft. So this is 667. So I assume it's for powder, perhaps. And then we've got a 111, which looks like a really nice blending brush. And I absolutely love her blending brushes. And then a fluffier blending brush. This is a 193. I've not heard of these numbers before, so I assume these are all new styles. But yeah, absolutely love that. So I'm going to pop that in my Plouise brush pot. And then the last thing that we've got is a new blush palette. So it comes with the magnetic blush palette that fits in 3, and then you've got your 3 shades here. So we've got Wild Heart, which is like a purpley pink, Red Alert, which obviously is the red, and Keep It Candy, which I'm absolutely loving the look of, which is like a really nice candy pink. Let me just assemble this all into my palette, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like, and this is how I've arranged it. And I'm absolutely living for this shade here. So this is giving me that Dior blush shade vibes. You know, the one that was sold out because Kylie Jenner uses it. I wonder if that's a dupe. So let me just swatch these for you. Oh, they're stunning. So this is them swatched. So we've got Red Alert, Keeping It Candy, and then Wild Heart. And they just look stunning. This is them swatched. I'm really liking the look of that light pink one. So let's apply a little bit now. Maybe if I apply it. You could definitely do an ombre blush look with these two. You know, like that trend that's going around at the moment. And I absolutely love that. They are so nice. I may have put a bit too much, but I like a blush, don't really care. I absolutely love this. You need the budget box just to get this. Absolutely lovely. And that's it. So we got mainly new products. So we got the brush set, the blush set, the lip set, and then the 50ml Plouise base. So this budget box is so good, and all this was for £30. So I've said it once before and I'll say it again, don't sleep on the budget boxes if you like Plouise products. And I just love this blush. I don't care if I've got too much. I think it just ties in with my look, to be honest. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel. If there's any videos that you want me to film, then do let me know down below. And yeah, hopefully I shall see you in my next one. Bye!